In this video, we will be learning about GitHub. So let's start that. So introduction first. GitHub is a platform for developers. It helps store, manage and share code online. It is built on Git, which is a version control system. GitHub is widely used by developers. Now what is Git? Git is a tool to track changes in code. It helps developers collaborate without overwriting each other's work. Think of it like a time machine for your code. Look how cool is that you can track every single change in your code. Okay, so let's discuss what is GitHub. GitHub is a cloud-based service for Git. It provides a place to host your repositories. Now, what are repositories? Repositories are the projects that you can host on GitHub. Repository can be private or public. If you want other developers to collaborate with you and other people to see your repository, you can make it public. Otherwise, you can keep it private as well. You can make collaborations and it helps you make the teamwork very easy. Now, what are the key features of GitHub? It is a version control, which means it tracks every single change which you have made in your code. It makes collaboration easy. Multiple developers can work together. It helps create pull requests, which means you can propose or review any change in your code. It helps with issues and discussions. You can track bugs and you can propose your ideas. It helps automate workflows. Why use GitHub? It keeps code safe and organized at a single place. It enables team collaboration worldwide. It supports open source projects where many developers can collaborate and work on a single project. It is widely used by companies and developers. Now, what are the real world use cases? It helps building apps with a team. It helps to contribute to open source projects. It helps you host your personal coding projects and portfolios. It helps automating deployments. So that was all with GitHub for now in this video. I hope you liked the video. If it was informative for you and it helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time.